Councillor Mappin-Grimvar.
Thank you very much. As a new member to this authority, I understand what was said about the small increase that's being offered and that it is set centrally and that we have no say in those levels. But as someone who was elected 3 weeks ago with one rate set and then within less of a month that our allowances are increased, I cannot accept that. I don't think the public will be able to accept that. The people in my ward will find it very odd, and they will say that councillors are going on to the gravy train and they're just going into it for the salaries. So on that basis, despite it being set centrally, and we cannot refuse that, I'm asking for my increase to go to a charity. I'm sure we can discuss that. I cannot support this motion that means that we have an increase in our allowances. Just to answer. The panel report came out before the election, but we didn't have an opportunity to bring it to the council until today. With regards to the increase, we as a council have got to pay every member the rate, the basic rate of which has now been increased by £100. It is up to every member personally whether they wish to accept that, and every member can write it into us to say what amount they wish to receive and what they do not want to receive. But as a council, we cannot make a decision on behalf of the whole council, so it's a matter for each individual.